JobBOSS² has streamlined our reporting process because we're able to run reports and share them with the shop that include a lot of data that wouldn't necessarily be easy to get to. We run job cost summaries for every job, and that allows us to understand how well we're doing on the job. We also run rolled up margin summaries, so we understand what our margin was on all of the jobs as a total. We're able to look at on-time delivery, and we're able to look at a whole bunch of different key indicators that were very difficult to get by, had to be run by hand on an Excel spreadsheet before we had JobBOSS². We can predict the future of the direction of our business based on looking at the reports and over time understanding the size of our business, what is our sales, what is our backlog. We can easily pull up a report that shows us who our top 10 customers are and who we should be paying the most attention to. We're able to look at the profitability by customer, so we're able to understand whether or not we are making money on certain types of jobs. We can actually eliminate that portion of business and concentrate on more profitable segments of our business. So JobBOSS² has really given us a lot of power that we didn't have before.